This process is known as phosphorylation. By ADP in the reaction, in the light reaction, by adding the phosphate molecule, ADP change into ATP. That process is known as phosphorylation. Phosphate molecule is attached to ADP, ADP change into ATP. That process is known as phosphorylation. Because it takes place in the presence of sunlight, that process is known as photophosphorylation. In the presence of light it is happening, so it is known as photophosphorylation. Then again here we saw the light dependent phase we saw now. Then we have to learn about the light independent phase. Then light independent phase, that did not, one thing you have to notice, that did not mean that it occur when it is dark. Sometimes question may be asked like that, light independent reaction takes place in the dark or at night. No, because it means that it did not require light. It only meant that the reactions are not depending on light. That is why it is known as light independent reaction. Then another thing, the reaction in this phase do not require light energy. Then the time gap between the two being less than even 1,000th of a second, the whole reaction, many thousands of reaction occur during the photosynthesis. All the reactions require these thousands of steps occur within 1,000 or within seconds, or this reaction, the time gap between two reactions is less than even 1,000th of a second. Even a second time is not required for all these reactions, even though it include thousands of steps in this photochemical reactions or in the biosynthetic phase. All the reactions takes only fractions of seconds. Then again here in the light independent reaction, that conversion of glucose into starch and other chemicals occur. This process is known as polymerization. You know that many glucose molecule attached together form it into sugar or starch or oil. You know that many plant products are produced from the glucose. By attaching certain other substance to the glucose molecule, that will change into, or by changing this molecule into in another way, many plant products are produced. Most green plants here, glucose converted into starch as soon as it is formed during photosynthesis. Suddenly the leaf change glucose into starch. During the night time, this starch again change into glucose or in the soluble form, and that may be transported through the plant body and may be reach the place where it is stored. Sometimes in tapioca, the starch, it store starch in its root. That glucose from the produced from the leaves may be suddenly it may be changed into starch. Later that will dissolve and transported to the area of storage. Then that process of changing the glucose into starch, that process is known as polymerization, meaning many bigger molecules are formed from the simple glucose. Then again in some plants they change glucose into sucrose or cane sugar. You know that cane sugar, karimbinte panchasara, sucrose, cane sugar, sucrose meaning sugar from the sugar cane, which is chemically is called disaccharide. The disaccharide meaning two glucose molecule attached together forming the sucrose or double sugar, or some into oil, etc. Many plant products are produced from the glucose. Then again the whole the simplified summary of the events in light reaction and light independent reaction of photosynthesis is given here. On one side light dependent reaction, the other side light independent reactions are given here. Here light is coming in the thylakoid. The first light dependent reaction takes place in the thylakoid. Light fall on the chloroplast, and that from the chloroplast an energy particle come, that activated electrons come and split the water into hydrogen, oxygen and electrons. Here oxygen is given out. Hydrogen is picked up by the NADP and NADP changed into NADPH. Again electrons is used to change ADP into ADP, attaching a phosphate, that change into ATP, phosphorylation. That process is known as phosphorylation. Then again by giving electrons ADP or spending energy, the phosphate is released from the ATP and changed into ADP when the plant use energy. NADPH, H is taken to produce glucose, and NADPH on releasing H, that will again change into NADP to take or to continue the reaction. Today I am finishing my lesson.